If you're wondering whether Help Scout or ServiceNow is the best help desk software for your business, stick around, because we're diving deep into both options and weighing the pros and cons so you can make an informed decision. Keep watching till the end, because I'll also reveal a hidden gem that could give you even more value, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's start with Help Scout. Help Scout has built a reputation for being user-friendly and intuitive. One of its biggest strengths is its simplicity, making it perfect for smaller teams or businesses that want a straightforward, no-frills help desk software. It focuses heavily on providing a great customer support experience, with features like shared inboxes, knowledge base management, and automated workflows. However, as simple as it is to use, Help Scout does lack some advanced features that larger companies might need. For example, while you can manage customer conversations well, Help Scout's reporting and analytics capabilities are a bit limited, especially compared to more robust platforms like ServiceNow. Next thing, let's talk about ServiceNow. ServiceNow is known for its enterprise-level capabilities and is designed for large organizations. One of its main selling points is its powerful IT service management, ITSM, features, which include everything from incident management to change management and problem resolution. ServiceNow offers extensive customization options, integrations with other enterprise tools, and detailed analytics and reporting, which makes it a great choice for big companies. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. ServiceNow can be overly complex, especially if you're a smaller business. The learning curve is steep, and its pricing structure may not make sense unless you're getting the full use out of all its features. Plus, the interface can feel a bit clunky, which isn't ideal when you're trying to streamline your processes. The third thing I want to mention is their pricing models. Help Scout offers a more predictable, straightforward pricing model, which works well for businesses that don't need too many bells and whistles. It's also relatively affordable for small to mid-sized businesses, starting at $20 per user per month. However, as your team grows, so does the cost, and the feature set becomes less competitive when compared to enterprise-level tools. On the other hand, ServiceNow is more expensive, with pricing that typically caters to large enterprises. The initial cost might be too high for smaller businesses, especially when you factor in implementation and customization fees. The fourth thing I want to touch on is integrations. Help Scout offers integrations with a variety of tools, but it might not be as flexible as ServiceNow when it comes to connecting with other enterprise-level systems. ServiceNow, however, boasts an impressive number of integrations, making it ideal for companies that require complex workflows and seamless connectivity with other business systems. Next up, let's talk about scalability. Help Scout works best for smaller teams and businesses, but as you scale up, you may encounter limitations in its features and customization options. ServiceNow, however, is built to scale with your organization, providing the flexibility and advanced capabilities you'll need as your business grows. So, both Help Scout and ServiceNow offer good solutions, but they're designed for different types of businesses. If you're a smaller team looking for an easy-to-use, cost-effective tool, Help Scout could be a great fit. But if you're a larger enterprise that needs complex IDSM capabilities and a high level of customization, ServiceNow might be your best bet. However, after trying both of these myself and analyzing their strengths and weaknesses, I'd recommend considering another option. If you want a better alternative to these solutions, one that strikes the perfect balance between ease of use, powerful features, and scalability, make sure you check out the link in the description for a special offer. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Take advantage of this limited time offer and see for yourself how the best help desk software can elevate your customer support experience.